Are you ready to think differently? Meet Stefan, a digital rebel and AI specialist. He's not your average marketer. Stefan believes that real innovation comes from curiosity and the courage to break the mold. When ChatGPT described him, it hit the nail on the head. Innovator, solution-oriented, and always on the hunt for groundbreaking ideas, that's Stefan. He approaches projects with professionalism while staying relaxed, motivating those around him to think unconventional thoughts. Stefan's strategy? Embrace change and challenge the status quo. Instead of waiting for committee approval, he's already testing new concepts. While others recycle old strategies, he crafts compelling headlines that resonate. For Stefan, ChatGPT is the ultimate co-pilot, enhancing his creative process. Efficiency is key for Stefan. He avoids the jargon and buzzword-laden PowerPoints that clutter communication. His clients seek clarity and actionable solutions. He delivers not the easiest path, but the most effective route. His secret weapons? Engaging dialogues with AI, a strong espresso, and a clear mindset. What truly drives him is working with curious individuals who seek more. Stefan thrives on transforming thoughts into wow moments and unexpected solutions. When clients express surprise and satisfaction, that's his true reward. Stefan invites you to join him. He promises authenticity and pragmatism, fueled by AI. If you need someone who doesn't just provide but inspires, then let's connect. Remember, every powerful journey begins with a conversation. Reach out today and explore the endless possibilities with Stefan. stefanbaum88@gmail.com or +39 388 623 5023.